Yo everyone on YouTube, it's your boy Amerska Kicks, and I am back again with another video. Today we are going to be doing two unboxings. Yes, that is correct. Two sneaker unboxings. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash the subscribe button below. Really appreciate the love and support from you guys. It really help out this channel in the long run. Please make sure to leave a like down below and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms that I told you guys about. But let's get into it. These came from Adidas Canada. And if you guys don't know, Adidas.ca actually is having a really big back to school sale right now. And if you entered the promo code SAVE20 at checkout, you'll get an extra, no, not even SAVE20, like, fuck, I think it's automatic now, like, at checkout, you get extra 40% off select sale items. And I got these sneakers for a steal. So let's unbox them right now. That's my first ever time ordering off of Adidas.ca, so it's pretty fast. Oh fuck, I cut the box of the sneakers. Okay, so as you can see, oh fuck, the box is completely damaged. Well, they were pretty rough in the shipping, but this is an all blue and white Adidas Originals box. Superstar, size 9, a size down, a size because I was being an idiot and I thought my true size in Superstars for years were size 10. But I was actually size 9 to 9.5. Sometimes 9.5 fits, sometimes 9 fits. So I was like, you know what, let's go with 9. The colorway of these is white, black, and gold. And there you guys go. These are the classic Superstars. But they have the gold on the heel right there, gold on the tongue. That says in gold on the side Superstar like that. These were retail 100, they were marked down to 70, and I got an extra 40% off at checkout, so I only paid $46.50 plus free shipping, taxes, and it was like 50 something, which is pretty good. It's just a timeless sneaker, like you just can't get enough of it. Okay, now let's unbox these ones. Now, these ones are actually in pretty good condition. Superstar, also size 9. I do fit it in a 9.5, but I was like, what if they end up being big, right? So I want a true to size fit, so these, the colorway is red, white, and size 9 also. Man, when I saw these, I was like, yo, I must cop for that price. And there you guys go. Got the white stripes on the side, white and red heel right there. Really nice leather on it. It says Superstar in white right here, white and red Adidas logo right here. Same with this guy right here. Right. That was today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Much love. subscribe, like, comment. I'll be back soon with another video. Until later, I'm in, I'm out. Peace, love you guys. Take care. Bye.